When you see this method, you will be angry to your dentist for hiding this. You will remove all tartar in 2 days. This is also your problem. You will be glad to know this method to eliminate tartar. As we said, tartar is a yellowish substance that accumulates around the teeth, especially when the person smokes. Among the things that produce it, we can highlight the consumption of cigarettes, coffee and tobacco. If we want to have our mouth sanitized and free of diseases, we must abandon the vices of tobacco and alcohol. In addition, it is necessary to maintain a good oral hygiene since they intervene in all the health of our organism. It is customary to go to the dentist to end this ailment and dirt in our teeth. They are the experts in this, but nevertheless many times do not dare to tell the patient the truth. In addition, they are likely to know methods that we do not know and would not do without their help. However, there is something we can all do in our house to end tartar. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of water. Preparation: take a glass container with a lid and pour all the ingredients, mix well, use a wooden spoon until they are well joined and the cream looks smooth. Use: take your toothbrush. Remember that it must be a brush with soft fibers and you should only use it for about 3 months, so you have to change it every so often so your teeth do not suffer. Put the cream on your brush and brush for 5 minutes, for the remedy to do the effect. Do this 3 times a week until the tartar disappears from your teeth, then do it to use it once a week to keep your teeth free of tartar. Do not let yourself be the one to laugh at all. Take care of your health. Clean your teeth with this fabulous natural remedy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.